Have you ever wondered why aloe vera is a staple in skincare and wellness products? What makes it the wonder plant that it's often hailed as? And are the benefits of aloe vera truly as diverse and potent as they are claimed to be? Before we reveal all the juicy details, a quick reminder: if you're loving the content so far, please show some love by subscribing to Very OK and hitting that like button. This way, you won't miss out on fascinating insights on health and wellness, like this one. Picture this: a sun-drenched landscape, arid and stretching as far as the eye can see. Amid the parched earth sprouts a succulent, resilient plant with spiky leaves. This is aloe vera, a plant that thrives in the harshest conditions, storing water and precious nutrients in its leaves, ready to heal and hydrate at a moment's notice. Now, wouldn't it be wonderful if we could harness the power of this plant for our well-being? Numerous studies have delved into the benefits of aloe vera. A 2008 study published in the International Immunopharmacology journal highlighted the anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties of aloe vera, suggesting its potential use in treating various inflammatory conditions. Moreover, a study from the Journal of Environmental Science and Health in 2014 proposed that the plant could even have potential anti-diabetic properties, owing to its positive effect on blood glucose levels. From a skincare perspective, aloe vera is a superstar. A review in the Journal of Dermatological Treatment in 2015 emphasized aloe vera's effectiveness in treating various skin conditions, ranging from dry skin to psoriasis, acne to burns. There are even rumors of Hollywood celebrities like Jennifer Aniston and Victoria Beckham using aloe vera for their radiant skin. It wouldn't be surprising, given the plant's impressive skin-friendly properties. Did you know that aloe vera has been used for centuries in various cultures? It's one of the oldest mentioned plants in recorded history due to its medicinal properties and health benefits. Ancient Egyptians called it the plant of immortality. More than just skin deep, aloe vera may also boost oral health. A study published in the Journal of Oral Pathology and Medicine in 2018 found that aloe vera juice could be just as effective as regular mouthwash in maintaining oral hygiene, thanks to its natural ingredient content. For the weight-conscious, there's interesting news too. Preliminary research, like a 2013 study published in the Nutrition Journal, suggests that aloe vera may aid weight management and metabolism, making it a possible natural choice for those looking to manage their weight. However, more research is needed in this area to establish these effects conclusively. Let's touch upon an interesting application of aloe vera in combating air pollution. NASA's Clean Air study found that aloe vera is effective at improving air quality because it absorbs airborne compounds from paint and cleaning agents. So, having an aloe vera plant at home could contribute to a cleaner indoor environment. Finally, while aloe vera is generally safe for most people, some might experience changes in urine color and diarrhea when consumed in large amounts. People with allergies to garlic, onions, and tulips may also be allergic to aloe vera. As always, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new regimen. Here are some simple, easy-to-prepare ideas on how you can incorporate aloe vera into your diet and lifestyle. 1. Aloe vera smoothie. Aloe vera can be a great addition to your morning smoothie. Try blending aloe vera gel, fresh fruit, like bananas, oranges, or strawberries, and a splash of coconut water. This combination not only tastes great but also packs a nutritious punch. 2. Aloe vera detox water. For a simple detox water, add a tablespoon of fresh aloe vera gel to a glass of water. Add a squeeze of lemon for a refreshing twist. This detox water is excellent for digestion and can be consumed first thing in the morning. 3. Aloe vera salad dressing. Try making a salad dressing by blending aloe vera gel with olive oil, apple cider vinegar, and a touch of honey. This dressing adds a healthful spin to your salads. 4. Aloe vera tea. For a soothing cup of tea, boil some water and add a small piece of aloe vera leaf. Allow it to steep for a few minutes, then strain and enjoy. Add honey or lemon for additional flavor. Remember, if you're using fresh aloe vera, the gel should be clear, not green. Be sure to rinse the gel thoroughly to remove any latex residue, which can have laxative effects. In skincare, aloe vera is often applied topically as a moisturizer or to soothe sunburn. If you wish to try this, make sure to do a patch test first to rule out any sensitivity. As with any natural remedy, caution is needed. Aloe vera can cause allergic reactions in some people. It's essential to do a patch test before applying it broadly, especially on the face. Consuming aloe vera in excess could potentially lead to digestive issues, so moderation is key. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting any new treatment. Hope you found this video guide helpful. If you did, let us know by giving a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Very okay for more amazing health guides. Sharing is caring, so feel free to share this video with your friends and family. Remember, staying informed is the first step towards a healthier lifestyle. Stay tuned and stay healthy with very okay.